Am I on? Am I on? This is Blanche bullshit. I'm gonna sing a song. It's called Coming from the Rain, and I hope you like it. Please pray for Donald Trump for protection and his family. Pray for our Donald Trump, the President of the United States of America. Thank you. Pray for him. Pray for all of us. Here we go, darling. I hope you like this song. Well, hello there, good old friend of mine. You've been reaching for yourself for such a long, long time. There's so much to say, no need to explain. Just an open door for you to come in from the rain. It's a long, long road when you're all alone. And a man like you will always choose the long way home. There's no right or wrong. I'm not here to blame. I just want to be the one who keeps you from the rain, from the rain. And it looks like sunny skies. Now that I know you're alright, time has left us older, wiser. I know I am. And it's good to know my best friend has come home again. 'Cause I think of us like old cliche, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I love you anyway. Coming from the rain. Oh, and it looks like sunny skies. Now that I know you're alright, time has left us older and wiser. I know I am. 'Cause I think of us like an old cliche, but it doesn't matter, 'cause I love you anyway. Coming from the rain, coming from the rain. 'Coming from the rain, coming from the rain.